All right, I'm not sure how much of that was heard. I don't know. Good morning. I'm having stream issues this morning. All right, it looks like everything is good now, though. I hope. Anyways, I will be continuing what I was working on last night. I was working on a few things last night, actually. I was working on some Flutter stuff, particularly adding the iOS integration. I didn't start that last night. That's what I said I needed to do today. I forgot to do my introduction. Good morning, I'm him. Today is Saturday, August 31st. It's the last day of August. So this month is over tomorrow. Again, all I have planned really is just to work on some stuff. I don't really have a plan. I'm kind of just hanging out. So yeah, if you have things to say or questions, I'll be around. Just throw it in the chat. Welcome to my desktop. It's awesome, isn't it? I'm taking y'all to another world today. All right, I remember I remember something. I forgot the reason why I didn't finish the iOS integration is because I got blocked. The reason for getting blocked is something that I do have control over, but I didn't know I had control over it in this way. Essentially, I had to create a new Flutter project and specify the no bundle org or whatever, just tell it what I want the bundle identifier to be. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that now. Now I gotta remember, we'll just go to the docs. I'm sure the Flutter team has documentation that doesn't suck. Why did that not navigate anywhere? There's never a point in my life where I want to open a bookmark over just searching. I love how China has their own. Using Flutter in China, it probably has baked in spyware. Well, I don't know these characters. I know Ni Zheng Zhai Zheng what is that? Wang something? I think that's internet. I forget how you say it, but that looks like the internet. No idea what that is. I think this is Jelsha something. No idea. Flutter. No idea. No idea. I have somewhat of an idea, but I don't remember what it's called. This one too. It's got the speaking radical. This is Zai Jungle, something internet, something Josha, something yo Flutter. Oh, use Flutter, whatever this is. I don't know what that means. I love how they have this in Chinese and then everything else is in English. Interesting. All right. Write my first app. I just want to know how to use the Flutter tool. Like, that's a good first step, right? Like, I'm sure there's a Flutter create, right? I just used it, I think. Yeah. So we'll say Flutter help. I assume I can say that. And then create. Okay. Org, the organization responsible for your new Flutter project. That's a weird way of saying it, but okay. That's the bundle identifier. Reverse domain name. The string is used in the Java package name as a prefix in the iOS bundle identifier. I mean, as a prefix. All right, so I think I'm going to want to set platforms as well. So I'm going to have to set template. Yeah, let's go ahead and create a thing. So it's Flutter create, and then we're going to have org. This is going to be reverse. So com one signal dev row. Project name. I forget what's a valid. I think my folder name is a valid one. Yeah, so it's snake case. We'll call it user model. Okay, then we'll pass a template. We'll just do -t app, and then platforms. It's not clear. How do I add these platforms? I have no idea how I'm supposed to specify these platforms. All right, well, we'll say iOS and Android. I'm assuming that's it. I really don't know. Your application code is Android lib main. It didn't. Oh no, it did. It created some Android stuff, but that was faster than I expected. Oh my gosh, I need to do some cleanup. I need to do some dot file cleanup. Holy shit. Man, that's like overwhelming. I wasn't prepared for that. What is the name of this thing? I've already forgot what I called it. One signal. Wait, where did this thing get created at? CD into Android. Why did it do that? Why did they call it Android? I'm gonna have to get some allergy medicine. Just getting it from executable. Wait, what? Product bundle identifier. Where is that coming from now? It is baffling to me how tiny the interface for Xcode is, and how it seems that Apple just refuses to let you resize it. Base bundle identifier, iOS Flutter app. No, I don't know if that's right. Com example. Oh wait, I'm tripping. I'm looking at the wrong one. All right, com one signal dev rel dot. Okay. com.onesignal.devrel.onesignal user model flutter sample. Okay. Sure. All right, let's see if it'll build at least. We'll run it on simulator. Wait a minute. Why is it using Objective-C when it says that the default, let me find that here. It says that the default is Swift. Right here, see? Swift default. Why did it just produce not that? And I'm still not sure why it only produces Android and not iOS. It created it created in a folder called Android. That's confusing to me. And it didn't create Android at all. Yeah, that's weird. So this is wrong. It only created iOS. And you know what? Let me pull up I have a program that I paid for. Maybe I don't. Is it called History? Shell History, okay. I just wanted it to be called SSH History. All right, so it's this command here. Just copy it. I specified the org. It got the org right. The project name. One signal user model Flutter sample. I mean, it did that. I don't like how it like camel cased the bundle identifier though. I selected app as the template, then platforms. So what it seems like it's done is that it's not taking these two as one argument. So I'm going to try. Well, first I'm going to close both of these and just delete it. Okay. So instead of doing it this way, I'll do it that way. See what that does. It fails. Okay. So it wants where it should go. Fine. We'll call it one signal Flutter sample. Okay. Now I have iOS and Android. I think that's what I wanted. No Chrome, no Windows, no Mac OS. Now we got to go and confirm some things. Let's make sure that this is Swift. No, it's not. It's not. Okay. It's still wrong. We're not there yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll try that again. Come here again because I forgot what okay, iOS language, so I think I can specify it that way. So here was the last working one. So we'll do -I and we'll say Swift. Interesting. You know what? Maybe the generated plugin is always that. Maybe I don't care. Yeah, I don't know. That's the best I can think of is maybe I don't care. I'll be back. I'm going to grab allergy medicine. I'll be back. I'm going to grab allergy medicine. I'll be back. I'm going to grab allergy excuse me. I had an idea while I was grabbing my water, and that is to do just the regular Flutter create. I had an idea while I was grabbing my water with nothing and see what it generates. And I also need to check if the project that I generated just now, if the Android project uses Java or Kotlin. Because remember in the Flutter Create it said for the language, the default for Android would be Kotlin, but Java was an option. I'm sorry, Kotlin was recommended in the default, and so was Swift. It was recommended in the default. Objective-C and Java were both listed, so I'm wondering if it's defaulting to both being the legacy. So that's kind of what I'm going to test. So we'll start the test. And let's come into here. So this is the one that worked, or at least I thought it worked. It didn't. Okay. So this is the one that worked, or at least I thought it worked. It didn't. All right, so my code, okay, so user code is going to be Kotlin. Now let's see if iOS is similar. All right, so does it give me an example of user code? Now let's see if iOS is similar. App delegate, yeah, it does. Okay. So maybe what I had was right. Let's see what this one gives. App delegate, yeah, it does. Okay. And this is something that in the past, I mean, I could do it now, but let's see. You could do a diff of directories, essentially, and see what the differences are. In the past, I mean, I could do it now, but you can look at this. It's not that much. Okay, it's the same. All right, perfect. So then that means I can get rid of that. We're going Okay, it's the same. All right, perfect. So then that means I can get rid of that. All right, let's open that in Android Studio. Wait, does this not have iOS? I thought it had iOS. It does. Wait, does this not have iOS? I thought it had iOS. It does. Wait, does this not have iOS? I thought it had iOS. All right, this name is okay now. The bundle identifier is good. So I'm gonna switch teams, and then we'll use that phone for now for the signing certificate. All right, now I can add push. This is definitely unique. none of these are that. I should be able to have that. I'll create it myself. Why is that not available? I wonder if it created it under my other account. Let's check. And which other account is it? Because I may have 3. Okay, they're only, well, okay, there are 2 here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Is it just frozen or something? Huh. Let me see something. I didn't know I had an Apple developer account under my personal email address. Nah, it can't be expired. It's the Apple Card. It's not. Yeah, it's Apple Card. What is this thing talking about? It's interesting. Oh, that's some sinister shit. That's some sinister shit. I wish I would have had it on this screen. It wanted me to click agree. Oh my gosh. I thought it took away my ability to do shit. It wanted me to agree to their stuff. All right. So, nah, it's not in. Yeah, it's not in here. Damn it. This is my final hope. I'm not even going to lie. How is that identifier not available? Let me try to create it in this one. So it told me I couldn't do that last time. So let's put let's say test. Won't add any capabilities. Register. Is not available. Okay. But it seems like every string that I've entered so far is not available. So, like, what string is available? Let's see. There. Suffix. Alright, so he has the same problem. Remove team profile from developer portal. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna sign out of this one and sign back into the other one. And I'll manually download the provisioning profile, and maybe then, I don't know. I have no idea. I can't do that. Are they claiming that it could be the name that this .dev row could be the thing causing it to not work? It didn't just work, did it? Did that, wait a minute, hold on. Did that just work? I don't know if I wanted that to just work like that. I have others that have DevRel in it though, so that should. One signal user model Flutter. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? That just worked. Oh my gosh. Why? All right, let me put .devrel back on it. Maybe it'll work. Maybe this one will work somehow. Hopefully. No shit. It doesn't. It really doesn't want me to do that. Since when can I not do that? I have other app IDs that have .devrel in it. Fuck. All right, well, fine. I give up. We'll accept it. I gotta quit and delete all of this stuff now. Yep, go away. Now you get to recreate it again. So I'll come up here. And I gotta get rid of the .devrel and the org name. Wait, what? And there's no Android Studio. All right, this is the new one that I want to. I'm gonna just copy code from it. That's kind of how we're gonna work with that. And for this one, we'll open it up over here. No. We're gonna not do it on my personal. I'm gonna do it here. Why does it always default to my personal? Yeah, I know. I don't care. And yeah, it always defaults to the phone that's not even plugged in. It always defaults to my newest phone, which I didn't set up for development. So I don't understand why it even shows up or gets selected. All right, we're good. It's happy. Oh my gosh. All right, let's add some capabilities to this thing. All right, I'll add some background stuff. We can snoop. Get some remote notification action. All right, yeah, that seems well enough. All right, let's add a new target. I want to do a notification service extension. I think I have to call it one signal notification service extension. I think. Wait. notification service. Yeah, notification service extension. Man, this is so hard for me. One signal notification service extension. Is that what these are called, or is it a service notification extension? NSE. Yeah, NSE. This is right. All right, and yeah, we're gonna embed it in the runner. Nope. All right. Now we have some code. I guess I'm done with Safari. We can, yeah, we're done with Safari. Wait, there's a pod file in here? That's wait, what? That's unexpected. Yeah, there are no pod files here. I wonder if this is what they were going on about. Let's see. Let's make sure that it's not just me. Pod file. Yeah, there's definitely no pod files here. Is that what they were getting at? Flutter pod files. I wonder if Flutter still uses pod file stuff. What version of Flutter are we in? Three, two, four, one. Okay, so the build did fail. Now, why? A cycle inside runner. Well, I didn't do that. Failed registering bundle identifier. Cannot be registered to your development team because it's not available. Oh, all right. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if it's trying to build it with this new extension that I just added. If it is, then that means I have to do something. Or, oh, it did it for me. Hold on. Calm one signal. Yeah. I can't read it in here. I'm going to have to pull it out. Throw it in here. One signal user model Flutter sample dot one signal notification service extension. Yeah, that's right. Oh, these are old. Okay, I don't know if I need to care about this anymore. How do I get rid of it? I wonder if this means that it worked, or is this that it's doing it right now? I don't understand what's going on. Cycle inside runner. All right, I'm not going to try to build it from here. I'm going to try to build it from Android Studio, or basically the terminal. How about that? Or I can just do it from here, I guess. Let's see if it can build it. gonna give me that same error. Cycle detected. Yep. By moving the shell script phase, then binary so that it runs before the build phase. I'm moving the thin phase. Why is it thinning? Library, copy, compile, run, build tool. Oh wait, I'm not even in the right thing. Target, run, build, run script, compile, link, copy, embed, thin. Okay, all right. Why do I need to thin the binary? Flutter root, Xcode backend, embed, and then. It would be dope if I could just turn it off and not delete it. See this, so that it runs before the build phase. That depends on its output. I don't know what build phase it runs. That depends on its outputs. Target runner has process command with output. Target runner has copy commands from. That command depends on commands in target runner, script phase, then binary. Copy. So if I put it here, target all nodes. Okay, command P0 node. Alright, so the cycle point is here. I don't know why I need thin binary, but let's try this again. Let's see what happens. I do expect the build to fail, but in a different way. If it doesn't fail in a different way, then okay. All right, it fell quicker. So this is failing in a different way, I think. Hopefully, let's hope. Is it still a cycle? Yeah, it's still a cycle. But is it different though? Target runner has command output. Target runner has copy. Dependency cycle. And I don't know if it's shorter or not. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. All right. Well, let's go and I forgot where I just pulled that from. I'll put it here. Try to build it. We'll just build it here. It's easier. Why is my build output not showing up though? That's... Yeah, where the hell is my build output? It's still not showing the output. Alright, that's interesting. This is weird behavior. I wonder if it's not showing it to me because it's not getting to build something. It's doing something before Xcode, maybe. Wait, what? Does it want me to register it first? Is that... I thought it said automatic provisioning. Automatically manage whether execution. This is such a true. It should be. It says sufficient. Oh, they point me to Apple stock like I don't know. Okay. Thank you for extolling the benefits of code signing. I have done absolutely nothing but start a new project, and I'm trying to run it. I haven't done anything else, and it doesn't work. See if Google will actually be useful. Probably not. I just got a new package I was not expecting. I don't even know like who or what it could be. Hopefully it's not any white powder or something that'll kill me. I have no idea what these are. Like, what the hell is this? Evotech Performance. Hartno 14625. And 626 and 1180. What the hell is this? Okay. I don't know what these are. Like I really it's like two pieces of plastic and some type of washer looking thing. Or I don't know. Okay. All right. So my hunch was correct. This foundation extension, I think, is my notification service extension. Yeah, it is. I was like, before I added this thin binary was the last thing. So let me just make it the last thing. So that may have been the gap, the thing that's missing here, because someone said that it didn't work for them. So I think that that's it. Yeah, that build. So let's run it from here. All right, I need to figure out what these parts are while this builds. $14,625. Looks like they sent me some, I don't know, maybe I think they sent me someone else's parts. Or they sent me the wrong part. Now, I don't remember what I could have ordered. I don't remember ordering anything. I know there are some things that I'm about to order, but this definitely isn't one of them. Whatever this is. And I don't think it was Evotech either. All right. Something to deal with later. Let's see how my build is going. All right. So yeah, there we are. The build is going well so far. All right, let's go and update. Also, there is no, well, before I make updates, I do need to find out or figure out whether or not the lack of pod files is a something to be of concern or be concerned about. If not, that would be great because I would love to rip out this pod file stuff. So if I can get all this to work without the pod file, that's great. But before all of that, let's stop the thing, and we're gonna install the what do you call it? The SDK for Flutter here. We'll just open it this way. You know what? I have an even better idea. I'm just going to come copy it from here. Because it's basically what this, I already have what I want. This. Cool. Now I can read it. It makes sense. And it's the same version of Flutter. Like I just created this the other day. Okay, so we will do. Do that. So I guess I'm okay. Close that out. Let's make sure it still builds. It should. And once it does, I'm just going to copy and paste code over. Is it doing something? Oh, wait. Oh, look, there is a pod. Okay, all right, okay. So I am going to have to worry about it. Damn it. I was hoping I wouldn't have to worry about pod install or pod files. I hate it. All right, Cocoa Pods. Let's see. Use an arc. All right, so it resolves some dependencies. Return local because it's checking only point to 0. Couldn't find compatible versions for OneSignal XC framework. And pod file. OneSignal Flutter. And it's linked here. It was resolved to 524, which depends on OneSignal. Okay, so I had to add that. All right, here. Maybe it'll be worth explaining that by creating. Wait. Yeah. You don't get the pod file until you try to install. You update the pub spec. Do we have that? Do we make that clear? No, I don't think we make that clear. Okay, or I don't make that clear. All right, let's go and open that file. All right, I think I could put it in this one, hopefully. Let's try it now. Still not happy. I don't think it should matter if I put it where I put it, but I am going to change it to the very end. I thought I added that. Because it's being included as part of this runner, and that's what this is. So I did all this in the workspace. Maybe I need to do it in the project. There's definitely an extension here. Did I not spell it right? One signal. Let me just copy it out. All right, and then we'll take this. There's a difference. Oh my gosh. I spelled extension another way. That's why I can't find it. Okay. I knew I was gonna fuck that up. I did say that. I was like, I don't like having to type this. This is why. Let's remove this. Also delete this. Try this again, but we're gonna spell it the right way this time, and by that I mean I'm just gonna copy it. I'm just gonna paste it. I thought I said don't ask again last time, and it's asking me again. Let's try it now. All right, this is a different error, which is good. It's not the same thing. It's about the versions. Let's see. Is it because I'm on 12? Yes. Yes, that. What does it mean that no, it wasn't specified? So I want 17, 16. 17, 4, actually. I don't know about that. What version is it asking for? I don't know if they ever talked about what the customer said. Okay, well, that's been fixed. But this other issue is not, so I'm investigating something. And it looks like that's not what the customer was talking about. Does it matter if the Xseed framework requires a higher version? If this right here is the thing setting it? Or am I just not? There's two pod files, so I'm gonna change this one. Shouldn't matter the location of these, but I'm just, I don't know. Oh, there's one other thing that I may need to do. This needs to be renamed. To that. Oh, okay. I need to do that repo update first. So we'll do this. We'll say 17. It's the latest. So I needed to do pod repo update. I did not know that. I thought I could just reinstall and I would just do the thing. I didn't know I had to do this step first. Now I know. You live and you learn. So at least that's what they say. I'm gonna go grab some water. I'll be right back. This is taking a bit. All right, that did it. Sure, I don't care. Let's just, if it builds and gets onto my device again, then we're good. Because we got on there earlier, but that was with the wrong stuff. I think. Actually, I don't remember. Let's go to Xcode and remind myself. Okay, I wasn't able to get it to sign. Shit. Oh wait, no, that's for this device. We don't care about that device. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Quoted include in framework header. Okay, sure. All right, we have a thing. It seems to be working. Now I don't know if I can get notifications in the simulator. I'm gonna try it. I don't think you can though. What app is this? Oh, wait. No, it's not an app yet. Oh, haha. Huh. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're good now. This is all working. Now I'm at the stage of copying and pasting stuff from over here. So we'll first get this going. So let's stop the thing. Paste all of that over here. All right. We'll set this to package files, project files, package files. One of these is it. I don't know which one it is, but one of them is it. Here we are. So we'll do a new, or maybe I can just copy it straight up. If maybe it's smart enough to know. Location, Dart to directory, desktop, one signal flutter, sample, lib. Yes. Okay. This is 305. What the hell is that? I think this is 305. Yes. So that's the one we're going to be using. All right, let's run this again, and it should be the new stuff. I can move this off back to the side. Oh, and this sets up live activity stuff too, which I wouldn't expect that to work yet. While that's doing this thing, there is some other code that I need to pull over for the service notification extension. So I'm not going to send anything yet. I just wanted to verify that all this would work, which it is. All right, so we're going to replace our notification service, whatever you call that thing. We're going to replace it. No such module. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's there. I'm just gonna pretend that don't exist. And we're gonna stop it and rebuild it. All right, well, that seems to have worked. So I'm going to log in with the same external ID that I had before. Thought I had that up somewhere. CM token. Oh man, I should have. Wait. Okay. All right. Good. I was like, I should have checked. Bundle. All right. So this won't work. Fuck. This won't work. Oh man. So I can't send myself anything with this app because it's configured for this bundle identifier. So I had to create my own. Oh man. Which means I'm gonna have to create my own Google thing. That's why I did it. And my own email and all these other ones. God damn it. I didn't want to have to do all that. Well, that's okay. In the meantime, I'm going to get rid of this. It's no longer needed. Thank you for your services. Is there a git? There's a git ignore in there already, but there's no git directories. All right. So now we can get rid of the new. That's gone. And this is going to become the new at some point. I really should have my own app. I may not do, but one that's consistently used. It's not that hard to get the PA certificate. I just don't feel like doing it. So I won't. That's how this works. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and quit out of here. We're good. We made some progress. The app works. You know, you can do here, you see your stuff. You can probably enable. Wait, push enabled? When did push become enabled? I think I have a bug to fix. Oh, okay. The string is just backwards. Yes, of course. Allow. Let's make sure that that device shows up. Yep, it does. Or is it? Why isn't my? Oh, let's log in. All right, there we go. Enable push. Okay. So now it should have my thing next to it. Let's see, last session. Yeah, Will Rodden. Yeah, perfect. It added my tags and all that. Let's see if it actually renders them. Yes, it does. These pages look like shit, but that's okay. I'll edit them later. Location. There's some I have to do to be able to even request a location access. Maybe I should do that now. I forgot the name of it's some in the info P list that I had to go and add. I'll just look for it. Locations. Location. Okay. So I need to go to my FOP list. I'm gonna assume that it's for this one. I need to add core location frameworks under a framework. I don't know where that would be. All right, let's see if we can find it here. So location. Oh wow, location doesn't even pop up. That's interesting. Let's see usage. No. NS L. I wonder if they changed these. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it the other way. We'll open it like this. Okay, it's under locate privacy. That's why. But even then, you would think that it would do a fuzzy search where it would just look for that substring in the main string. It doesn't even do that. It's pretty trash. Yeah. We know. All right, so let's rebuild the app. Oh, excuse me. Oh gosh, okay, I gotta do it within Flutter, I guess. Am I already in that directory? No. I don't know. Oh wait, the directory's right there. I guess I'll just do it. I was like, I could just do the command line, the Flutter run thing. We're gonna do 2. All right, let's go to the app. In OneSignal, and I should be able to see what's here. I'm surprised I don't see my location. Or maybe I had to do something in order to send it. I don't know. Let's send a notification. All right, it's going to, you know what? Let's make this text. Oh, never mind. I don't know how much I want to go through with this change. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna just live life on the edge, then go back. Shit, that's what I get for living life on the edge. All right. It's right though. We're good. So send it. Okay. 11, yeah, that was just now. And no deliveries. Interesting. Failed. Okay, this must be, oh yeah, okay. This failed for an obvious reason. I said it earlier, I just forgot that I said it. So I can't send iOS notifications using the app that I have, Ellie's app. I can't use her app. I had to make my own because her app is tied to her own bundle identifier, which is specified in the P8 somewhere. Yeah, see? And my bundle identifier is definitely not that. Let me see if I can find it. So my bundle identifier is this. And no, I can't change mine. So there's that. I mean, I could change it, but then everything else will be broken, and I will have to redo all of this. See, the problem is that I would have to create the app here. Actually, I have an app. Let me see. Just use dev. Oh, that's not what I want. I think I have DevRel stuff in here. None of these are mine, but that's okay. They exist in here, so that tells me that it's okay to just put crap in here. I'm gonna do that. Call it one DevRel. Demo paid org, I don't understand. I'm just leaving it the default. I don't want to. I don't want to do anything. We're gonna set up Apple first. Okay, all right. I am pretty sure I don't. Maybe I still have one P8. No, I don't. Damn it. Okay. Oh wait, what? Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Damn it. All right, well that's cool. First things first, we'll put the app identifier. There we go. Put that down. My team ID is here. I'm actually not going to show all of that. So I'll move that off for now, and then I'll bring this back. I need to go grab some other things, like go download the P8. Oops. Wait a minute. I can't download it? All right, I could have swore I stored this somewhere. P8. I didn't. Oh gosh. Mate. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where did my where did my window just go? What the hell? Oh, it's over here. Okay. There we go. Move that over here. P8. Yo, what's up, Darius? How are you? I'm not actually looking at whatever this is on my screen. I am trying to figure out where the P8 file is because I think I have it somewhere. I put it somewhere. And I'm like, maybe I can find someone else who's like linked to it somewhere. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe I should look into 1Password. What would this be? This would be P8 one signal. No. Oh man, I don't know what my password is. Nah, it doesn't like that one. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, look at that. Here we go. All right. For internal testing, perfect. So I can just make the file that, I can just do that. Let me copy out the stuff. Okay. Make sure I go out of that. Let me just hide that. So we need to create a file. We'll call it what, the key.p8. I'm gonna just kind of plop this over here off screen and paste the contents. Okay. All right, and I'm uploading the file that I just created. All right, the key.p8. All right, so that's what I did. This is irrelevant, but I'll click Flutter. And I get a new app ID that I can use. All right, so now I have to go back to my application here. I'm gonna use my new app ID. honestly, this app is dead to me. So I'm gonna do that and like really get it away. I'm also gonna delete it. You too, whoever you are. All right, cool. So yeah, this will give me the new app ID, and I should be able to send it. I think if I put in the right bundle ID, which I've already forgotten what I've done. So we're gonna find out together, I suppose. All right, cool. So my little observer is working correctly. That's good. So I got my OneSignal ID, but it's not loaded here, which whatever, it's fine. I'll log in. Why is still OneSignal ID still not showing up? All right, well, go to push notifications. I don't understand why this button is what it says, but we're gonna allow. Okay. User tags, we're gonna say riding style. We'll say sports. Okay. Primary bike. Let's say SF. What is it? V4S. All right, so we got some tags. Location, I should be able to enable it. Hopefully, yes. All right, so we'll allow once. Enable. Cool. All that's good. Random question. All right, let's see what it is. Do you know Java? I mean, yeah, kinda. I used to program in Java, and I still have to look at it and deal with it. So yeah, I'm learning it in my master's, and honestly, it's driving me crazy. It feels so slow. So my opinion is Java is like C. It's the C version of Java, of like object-oriented programming. Right? It's C. It's basically C++, except not really. It runs in a virtual machine. I don't like Java. It's too verbose. It's really verbose. I have a here. Let me show you something. So I was working on something, and I was wondering, why was I typing so much? I was just like, why are my hands hurting and cramped up? And I discovered the reason, and you'll be interested to see. All right, I gotta open it. Give me a second. Let's open up this thing. All right, we'll remove it. We don't care. OneSignal Android sample. Yes. I guess we can open it in code. So I was like, this whole project is in what's the language? Kotlin, you know, that crap. Do I want to install recommended? Sure. Yeah, just like, sure. So while that's doing this thing, we're gonna go back to here, and I created a notification something extension, and I didn't realize it was in Java. But I just wasn't paying attention. So this is shorter than it once was, much shorter. But like, I'm over here just typing. I'm like, why? like, why am I even having to do this? I get something, I have to check to see if it's known. Let me find Let me find the code. Let's go to history. Stupidity. Now we're gonna go to more stupidity. Wait a minute. We're just gonna have to use one of these. We're gonna have to pretend that there was more stuff going. Oh wait. No, here was some of the stupidity here, like having to check to see if something's null. Just like, where am I? It was a little bit too much for me. I don't like it. I simplified it. It's still in Java though, but I'm sure if I were to do this in Kotlin, half of this code would go away. There's so much ceremony here. Private, static, final string. It's like, come on. like aren't strings, and like you can't. They're immutable. So like, why do we need to even say all of this shit? I don't know. All right, that's enough of that. I'll get upset if I keep looking at this. All right, so I guess this is working okay, except for the fact that I don't see this right here. Why am I not seeing these things? All right, so how about this? We're gonna do a set state in here. So we'll say one signal ID. I think I'll get that from there, maybe. Yes, I should get a one signal ID from here. Right? New user state. And then I'll just call JSON representation. Yeah, I should have a one signal ID. How do I get it though? Oh, current maybe? Okay. Alright, so we'll take that. That's not what I wanted. Oh man, to not know how to use this IDE, it's painful. We'll do that. So we'll log out. Yeah, that should have set the one signal ID. Log back in. The hell? Alright, I can't have that not working. So we have load one signal stuff. We get some things, set some things. Okay. Oops. I keep saying I'll remove this. But it's random and I don't know the name of it. So I can't find it. That sucks. What's not clear to me is how this is null. That's the only way this can come to NA. Package one user model sound. My app. Okay, is it my app take something? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Something is off. One signal flutter sample. How are these namespaced? New one signal flutter sample. How is that? How? That's really confusing to me. I don't understand why that's being imported from new package if it's just a file. Do I have to specify a package? How do I create a package? This is, I don't like this. I don't think it should be new underscore. Yeah, like where is that coming from? How go ahead and see if it'll at least work. I think it was working, so. Can I just do that? All right, that's more acceptable, I suppose. Not really. Ah, look at that. There we go. We get my ID. That's good. But it wants me to log in. Interesting. I think these are already enabled. Location is already enabled. So yeah, now I should be able to send myself a push. I don't think I've done that yet. Or maybe I did and it didn't show up because of that whole, it wouldn't show up. And we may be validating that it won't show up on the simulator. So I may have to run this on my device. Let me go and view that notification. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. This is the wrong app. So I'm gonna go and create my app. We're gonna call it I don't know what we're gonna call it yet. Forgot what I called it. Wait, is it just called DevRel app? Okay. All right, so while that does whatever it's doing, we'll come on over here and we'll call it DevRel app. All right, and I'm gonna just kind of move that off screen, right click, do a secure value. Okay. DevRel app. Now I'm sending it to the right app. And include segment as Street Riders. So I should be in this segment. All right, all included players are not subscribed. Okay, so that's all right. We can work with that. All right, I don't need to see all of these things. All right, riding style is sport. Okay. I think in order to be a part of Street Riders, I'm not a part of the segment. That explains it. Although I don't know, that doesn't explain the error though. Or maybe the segment doesn't exist. Yeah. That doesn't make sense. The segment doesn't exist. Target channel push. Street Riders. So let's see. Segment that doesn't exist. Right. Yes. I think that error is nonsensical. I want to know that the segment doesn't exist. Not all included players are not subscribed. That's not it. All right, add a little note for that little timestamp right there so I don't lose track of that. That's important. All right, so let's just do all subscribers. I think that's what it's called. Active subscriptions. Yes, we'll just take this. We'll even copy it. You know what? Let's move this here. All right, there we go. Look at that. We get the notification. And over here, we should have gotten a log if it were connected. And a debug state. Shit. All right, well. Oh well. We got the notification. That's what counts, right? Right? I guess not. All right, let's do some committing, I suppose. Okay, so iOS is now configured completely, and I'm able to get a notification, so we're good. I gotta get live notifications up. Not live activities, my bad, live activities. But I also want to get these other ones up. Is it Firebase.io? Oh, okay, sure. Like, just go to the freaking console. That's all I need. Which user is this? Who is this? All right. Oh, this dev for all that. No analytics. We don't need it. I can't create it. Okay. Look at that. And then I get the spinning beach wall of death. All right. Well, then I'll use one of these that already exist. How about that? Protein chili. What's up with these nonsensical names? Braden. What's he up to? Braden. Wait, did my screenshot not take? There we go. All right, I might be getting my own little app. We'll see. All right, we'll full screen it. All right, so turns out I can just use this. Yeah, he didn't even know. He's like, I didn't even know that existed. All right, that's good for me. All right, so let's set up this service account JSON. I'm going to download that. Or do I have to do the migration first? Service account. Definitely not seeing a download for these service accounts. I'm in Google Cloud Admin right now, the IAM and admin stuff. This isn't my account, so I'm not going to show that. All right, so it looks like I have to find the admin for our Firebase stuff. All right, that seems like RVP. Stop. In the past, what I would do was create, and I can do that now, is just to get unblocked. I would normally just create it in my own, because I have my own accounts for things. Okay, so I'm going to download my new thing. All right, perfect. Oh, okay, it didn't show it. Great. We can close this first and then this. All right, so that just got downloaded to my downloads somewhere. Yeah, that. Okay, go ahead and move on. Cool, so now Android should be set up. But I still need to get access to our Firebase admin, so I don't have to use mine. So go back into here, and now I want to create I want to start with Android. Okay, and we're going to select that pixel right there. And it should, now when I run this, it should register the Android device. And it should identify it as the same user once I give it the same external ID. We'll verify that too. Uh-oh, look at that. Oh wait, no, those are, okay, those are warnings. Okay, all right. I think that makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, yeah. We get the one signal ID. All right. I want to rename this app. Yeah, how do I rename an app? I need that. I want it to be DevRel app. Ah, man. Okay. We'll go into subscriptions, and we have two. Oh, let's see. And I haven't accepted. Yeah, see, permission not granted. Great. We're gonna log in first. Log in. All right. And when we refresh over here, we get Will, and all of my tags get brought over. Same one signal ID, so the ID was updated. So now they match. This is iOS, just so we're clear. Okay. Now let's enable push notifications. I need to fix that button title. So when we refresh, we should have a little check. And user tag should show up. Yep. Great. And location, I need to ask for it. I'm not sure I updated this here. This is a new project, so I gotta update this first. Gotta go to Android manifest. Not this one. It just manifests. I don't know where it is. Where I thought it would be, it's not where it is. I thought it would be like just right here at the top of Android. It's not in here. Maybe this is it. I don't know. Let's go to the docs. I just need to copy the code that's there. Which one? That's all I need. Just like, which one? Oh, maybe it's this one. Find location and or internet billing. Where's this at? iOS Symlinks plugin. Oh, it's just an iOS. Oh, that's weird. All right, so that's in debug. I think I can skip anything that's in debug. So it's source, main, and then there's this other one in app source main. I don't know which one to put it in. That's why I'm looking at both. Android apps. I think this is it. Oops. Okay. We'll redeploy that. So now I should be able to ask for location. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. All right. Yeah. So ask for location now, and it should allow it. Yeah, there we are. Cool. We'll say only this time for now. Enable. And we're enabled in both. All right. So we have 2 mobile apps running the same thing for now. That they are connected, which is good. That's by design. Except for this, why is this not showing up? I'll log out, and then we'll log back in. 65 F3, yeah, 206. Well, yeah. Tags, yeah. We're all good. We'll do this favorite. We'll do fave car brand. And then we can drop it in there. All right. So if I come off this page and then go back. Oh, it doesn't load. Okay. Maybe I should load those whenever I go to that page. I don't think I'm doing that right now. I'm not going to do any of that right now. So yeah, this was pretty good. Pretty productive. Got some stuff done. Stop both of these. Stop all. at that. Got some stuff done. Now, I've been streaming for 3 hours, so I'm gonna go. That's what I'm gonna do. So if you enjoyed any part of this, give a thumbs up on YouTube. That helps. That helps more than you think. You can also subscribe if you like. You can follow me on all the other platforms, on Twitch if you want to see me on Twitch. It's the same stream. I don't do anything special for Twitch. Follow me on IG. I normally post stories throughout the day if I'm not too busy. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the future. Peace.